Well, I'm here with Jeff Weiss, and we are specifically talking about pneumatic die grinders. You can see there's a variety of them here, and this is just a small assortment, but walk us through what we have.
Well, you've got a variety of different horsepowers here. So you've got your third horsepower, your half, and then your full horsepower. You've also got a selection of straight die grinders and then your right angles. With the straight grinders, you're getting higher RPM, less torque. With the right angle grinders, because of the gear reduction, to make that 90 degree, you're getting more torque, less RPM.
The horsepower difference here from 1 to a third, why do you need that in both applications?
So depending on the material and the access that you need to get at that, you may need the higher horsepower tool or it's straight versus the right angle.
Speaking of this right angle, you can't deny this. This thing has an extra handle.
It's really the workhorse of the line. It's going to move some material. These are the carbide bits. You're going to use those mostly removing steel, whereas you've got some of the other bits that are for some of the softer materials, maybe plastics and things like that. And then you've got different shapes here as well. So depending on the surface you're trying to grind, if you're doing a flat surface, you probably want to go with a cone bit like this. It really depends on what kind of work you're trying to do.
You can see this one comes to a point, so you're going to get really finesse there, and this one looks more of a generic style tip, not getting as detailed and finite. Also, you could see the flutes on these massive ones. These are for engines. Imagine using this 1 horsepower, you're gonna move a lot of material with that.